Dear friends, welcome to my channel Rainman, and today I'm going to show you how to copy any object in an AutoCAD interface. So if we want to copy this box like object, actually I represented this box as the column, and if you want to copy this same box in every intersection, you have to type a command named CO, then press enter and select your object and then press enter, and now it's saying that specify base point. The base point is the center point, the intersection. So select this and place your object in your desired position. My desired position is the intersect of this row and column line. That means here, 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 here. You can copy as much as you can wherever you want in your AutoCAD interface. So you don't need to draw again and again this box. You can just copy one box and place in several places. And you can do it another way, like first select the object which you want to copy like this, and then you can type the command CO. Then you can choose your base point and then copy. You can do it this way also. So that's how we can copy any objects in the AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.